Emily
and Sarah
from Sisters Horsing Around. If you didn't already know, we went to the Washington International Horse Show,
or WIHS for short,
and had the time of our lives. Be sure you check out our Sisters Horsing Around goes to the Washington International Horse Show video.
We have a little something here that we ordered during the Black Friday sale that we can't wait to open.
Are you ready to see it? We sure are. Open, open.
Ooh. C4! C4!
Waterproof,
Wow.
gives back, animal/eco-friendly, cut to size.
Lifetime guarantee, easy to clean, airport friendly, interchangeable.
Airport friendly. It's
Choose
really
your
good.
color, choose your cost. That's C4.
I thought you said cut. I was like,
Whoa. That is one nice belt.
once again, red, blue, and white. This is really cool. I just realized this. I just happened upon it. I stuck this on top and realized that the whatever you put the plastic part on the box, this part that sticks out, fits right into place in these recessed parts.
Man.
I'm just like, oh, that is really cool.
Wow.
Like, seriously, it's like a stand. So, I'm gonna set that to the side. It has a red clasp, clip, buckle, and here is the belt. I guess, whatever.
This
how you
is
want.
one hot belt.
Got red and white stars.
It's got show jumpers.
Yes, and WIHS. And I guess the top part, like the dome part of the White House. So here's an up close visual so that you can see what it looks like. It's really cool. The WIHS here and the show jumpers.
It's got work on the bottom. Choose your color, choose your cause, made by C4.
This is really cool.
Let's put them on.
Ooh, this looks so cool.
Oh, I like that. I cannot believe how nice that belt is. Wow. And it matches so well.
Yeah, with your...
Man. Whoa. Check that out.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious. That looks so good. Man, that matches so well. Look at that. You see it? Yes. Yes, cool. My first C4 belt. Which is probably going to be my favorite belt. my favorite.
So I'm loving the C4 belt. This is
I like this casing. This is cool. I've never had a belt casing like that. And that's how
I'm just liking this. This. I feel very festive. I would certainly do this for like
so casing. Like right now.
Yes, for the 4th of July, Labor Day, Memorial Day too. All those American holidays.
Man,
Yes.
That is so cool. Oh my brain.
So, when we was at the Washington International Horse Show, we stopped by their souvenir booth. But because we had to be quick to get to our seats, we couldn't spend that much time at the booth. So we were sad that we couldn't get anything, but we was able to get the same belts that we had seen for 50% off. That's half price. It makes up for the sadness and the sorrow of not getting something then. But we definitely now have another souvenir to add to our pile of souvenirs from the WIHS. So make sure that you go to the WIHS online store to pick yourself up a WIHS C4 belt. So you were like, yeah.
And then you can be looking as hot as we do.
Wow. I would say.
Joking.
Put that out there.
I'm just joking.
No, that's alright. So again, it's Emily and Sarah from the Sisters Horsing Around.
Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Stay out of the way.
And make sure you ring the bell and to be notified.
No, to turn on notifications. To be notified
New videos and updates.
Videos and updates.
And thanks for watching the Sisters Horsing Around unboxing. Bye. Okay. You go.
Please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Please be sure to
I said subscribe.
Yeah. Please be sure.
Please be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Alright. Please be sure.
I have something on my lip.
No.
I heard something on my lip.
Well, now it's nothing. Alright. No, it's not.
I had something on my lip.
It's like one nail. And one nail you don't.
No, it's nothing. Alright. So please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to be notified. Ring the bell. Please be sure.
Okay.
Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and also ring the bell to be notified of new videos and updates. Once again, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah.
Thanks for watching
Sisters Horsing Around.
Thanks for watching Sisters Horsing Around. The Sisters Horsing Around unboxing video. Thanks for watching the Sisters Horsing Around unboxing video. Bye! See for
It's so nice. It's so
see for hashtag see for yourself.
Oh! Make sure you go to the WIHS store to see for yourself how amazing this belt is. I'm never a little choppy. Were you smiling?
I was.
Because I looked at you like this.